Hello, welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to listen to conversations on basic English for beginners. This video is divided into two parts, where the characters will ask for directions and shop for clothes. There will be a listening comprehension quiz at the end of each scene, so listen carefully and see if you get all of the questions right. Also, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We'll point out important words from the conversations, everyday slang, and the most common way to say things in English. Watch for these words and phrases in the subtitles. You'll find their meanings in the vocabulary section in the last part of the video. Are you excited? This should be fun. First, let's listen to a conversation between Parker and Phoebe as Parker asks for directions. Let's see how their conversation goes, and don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video. Let's dive in.
Excuse me, hi.
Hello, can I help you with something?
Yes, please, I'm Parker. I'm visiting from the US, and I'm a bit lost.
Nice to meet you, Parker. I'm Phoebe. What can I help you with?
I'm trying to find the City Museum. I have a map, but it's a bit confusing.
No problem. The City Museum is actually not too far from here. Do you know where you are right now?
I think I'm in Green Park, is that right?
Yes, you're in Green Park. The City Museum is about a 15-minute walk from here.
That's good to know. Can you give me directions?
Of course. From where we are, go out of the park and turn left onto Maple Street.
Okay, Maple Street. And then?
Walk straight down Maple Street for about 5 minutes. You will see a big bookstore on your right.
A bookstore. Got it. What do I do next?
After you pass the bookstore, turn right onto Oak Avenue.
Right onto Oak Avenue. How far is that from the bookstore?
It's just a short walk. When you get to Oak Avenue, you should see a small cafe on the corner. The museum is just down Oak Avenue, a bit further.
So, I just keep walking on Oak Avenue until I see the museum?
Exactly. The City Museum will be on your left. It's a big building with a lot of windows.
Okay, that sounds manageable. How long does it usually take to get there?
If you walk at a steady pace, it should take about 15 minutes. But if you stop to look around, it might take a bit longer.
I might stop for a few pictures. The park and city look beautiful.
Oh, absolutely. There are some nice spots for photos around here. Do you need any recommendations for things to see while you're here?
Actually, yes. What else is interesting around this area?
Well, besides the City Museum, there's also a lovely botanical garden a bit further down Maple Street. It's very peaceful and has some beautiful flowers.
That sounds lovely. How do I get to the botanical garden?
If you're interested in visiting the botanical garden, it's easy. Just continue straight on Maple Street past the bookstore and keep walking for another 10 minutes. The garden will be on your right.
Thanks for the tip. I'll definitely check it out.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help with?
Actually, yes. Is there a good place to eat near the museum?
There are a few nice places nearby. There's a great Italian restaurant called Bella Italia just around the corner from the museum.
That sounds perfect. How do I get there from the museum?
When you leave the museum, just turn right and walk straight. Bella Italia will be on your left. It's only a couple of minutes away.
That sounds easy enough. Do you have any recommendations for what to order there?
Their pasta dishes are amazing. The lasagna is a local favorite. And if you like pizza, their margarita pizza is really good too.
Great choices. I'll definitely try those. Thanks for all the help, Phoebe.
My pleasure, Parker. Enjoy your visit to the museum and the restaurant. If you have any more questions or need more help, just ask.
I will. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, Phoebe.
You too, Parker. Safe travels and enjoy your time here.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Parker and Phoebe. Where is the City Museum located in relation to Green Park? The City Museum is about a 15-minute walk from Green Park. What is the name of the Italian restaurant near the museum? The Italian restaurant near the museum is called Bella Italia. How can Parker get to the botanical garden from Green Park? Parker should walk straight on Maple Street for 10 minutes. The garden will be on the right. So, did you get all the questions correct? Let us know in the comment section. Now let's listen to a conversation between Eliza and Remi as she shops clothes in a small boutique. Let's see how their conversation goes, and don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video. Let's begin. Hello, welcome to our boutique. My name is Eliza. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Eliza. I'm Remi. I'm just browsing for some new clothes.
Nice to meet you, Remi. We have a lot of new arrivals. Are you looking for anything specific today?
I need some casual clothes. I'm going on a trip soon, so I want something comfortable for the summer.
That sounds exciting. We have a great selection for summer. Are there any particular colors or styles you like?
I like bright colors. Blue and yellow are my favorites. I'm thinking of getting a new shirt and some shorts.
Great choices. Let me show you our summer collection. Here are some shirts and shorts. Do you have any preferences for the type of shirt or shorts?
I see some nice options. I really like this blue shirt. It looks light and cool.
That's a popular item. It's made from a breathable fabric, perfect for warm weather. It also comes in a few other colors if you're interested.
Oh, I didn't see that. What colors does it come in?
It comes in green, white, and a light gray as well. Do any of those colors interest you?
I think I'll stick with the blue one. It's my favorite.
Excellent choice. Would you like to take it now, or would you like to look at some shorts first?
I'll take it. And let's look at the shorts now. I need something to match the shirt.
Sure, we have a variety of shorts here. These are some of our best summer styles. Do any of these catch your eye?
I really like the yellow shorts. They look fun and bright.
They are a great choice for summer. The color complements the blue shirt nicely.
They look great together. I'll take the shorts too.
Perfect, I'll add those to your items. And do you have any accessories in mind to go with your new outfit?
Maybe a hat. Do you have any hats that would match?
Yes, we have a selection of hats. Here are some options. We have different styles and colors. Do you see one you like?
I like this blue hat. It matches the shirt really well.
It's a great match. It's also made from a lightweight material, perfect for sunny days. I'll add this to your items.
That's everything I need. How much will it be?
Let me check. Your total is $85.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you need a bag for your items?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Your clothes are packed and ready. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. I'm also looking for some gift ideas. Do you have any recommendations?
Of course. If you're looking for gifts, we have some lovely accessories and jewelry. We also have stylish scarves and bags that make great presents. What kind of gift are you thinking about?
I'm thinking of getting something for a friend who loves fashion.
In that case, I'd recommend a nice scarf or a unique piece of jewelry. They're both fashionable and versatile.
Those sound perfect. Can you show me the scarves and jewelry?
Certainly. Here are our scarves. We have several colors and patterns. And over here is our jewelry display.
I love these scarves. They're so vibrant, and the jewelry looks elegant.
Yes, they are. If you need any help choosing the right piece, feel free to ask.
I think I'll go with a scarf. It's for a friend who loves bright colors.
Excellent choice. Let me wrap that up for you.
Thanks so much for your help. You've been fantastic.
You're welcome, Remi. It was my pleasure to help. If you have any other questions or need more assistance, just let me know.
I will.
Great. I hope you have a wonderful trip. If you need any more clothing or accessories before you go, come back and see us.
I will. Thanks again, Eliza.
You're welcome. Have a fantastic day and a great trip.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Before we review the key vocabulary from these conversations, here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Eliza and Remi. What color shirt did Remi decide to buy? Remi decided to buy a blue shirt. Which color of shorts did Remi select to go with the shirt? Remi selected yellow shorts. What was the total amount Remi paid for the items? The total amount Remi paid was $85. So, how many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments section. Now, let's review the vocabulary from these conversations. First, we'll review some of the natural-sounding everyday phrases used by native English speakers. Watch the video again after you study the vocabulary words to learn them even better, and subscribe to see our other videos. A bit lost? Feeling unsure of your location? Not too far from here. Close to the current location. A steady pace. Walking at a consistent speed. Casual clothes. Comfortable, informal clothing. Catch your eye. To attract your attention. Now let's review other key vocabulary. Confusing. Something that is hard to understand. Browsing. Looking at items in a shop without a specific purchase in mind. Styles. Different designs or ways of wearing clothes. Collection. A group of items of a similar type. Accessories. Items used to complement or enhance an outfit, such as hats or jewelry. Were the conversations relatable? Try using these conversations with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.